You're watching the Weiss channel. Today, we're talking about volume of a rectangular prism, like a box is a rectangular prism. For example, a rectangular prism has a length of 18 meters, a height of 3 meters, and a width of 4 meters. What is the volume in cubic meters? Right? Cubic meters is the way to say volume, or cubic inches, or cubic yards. That would be how you would talk about volume. So if you want, you draw yourself a picture, 18 by 4 by 3. But volume is length times width times height. So you just do 18 times 3 times 4, and you're going to get 216 meters cubed, or cubic meters. That's what your notation will look like. Okay? A cube means all the sides are equal. Okay? A cube has an edge length of 19 inches. What is the volume in cubic inches? So it's going to be 19 times 19 times 19, which will give you 6,859 cubic inches. Please remember, if you're doing delta math, if you try and put the comma in there, it's going to open up another answer box. So don't use commas in delta math, please, unless you're trying to open another answer box. What is the volume in cubic meters of a rectangular prism with a height of 8, a width of 9, and a length of 19? Okay. 8 times 9 times 19 is 1368 cubic meters. Okay. What is the volume in cubic inches of a cube with an edge length of 12 inches? All right, 12 times 12 times 12. It's 1,728 cubic inches. Now, these first 4 problems have been length times width times height. But what if you have a problem like this? A container can hold 2,310 cubic feet of goods. Its length is 35 and its height is 8 foot 3 inches. Find the width. Okay, so again, length times width times height is volume. So here, 35 times width times 8 foot 3 inches is 2310. Now, here's the problem. 3 inches is 3/12 of a foot, right? So you're going to have to do 3 divided by 12 on your calculator to get 8.25, okay? And we're going to do 35 times 8.25 is 288.75 times W to equal 2310. So you do 2310 divided by 288.75, and you get 8. Okay, that's how you do this problem. A rectangular water tank can hold 136 cubic feet of water. Length is 8.1, width is 4.1. Find the height. So since it gives you 8.1 and 4.1, you don't have to do any converting. Just use 8.1 times 4.1 to get 33.21. Divide by 33.21 and you get 4.09515. And in delta math today, it'll say round to the nearest tenth if necessary. So is it closer to 4.0 or 4.1? Closer to 4.1. Okay. A rectangular box can hold 69 cubic inches. Its width is 3, its height is 5 3/4. Find the length. Okay. Length times width times height is volume. Length times 3 times 5.75, right? Because 5 3/4 do 3 divided by 4 and you get 0.75. So 3 times 5.75 is 17.25 times L equals 69. Divide by 17.25 and you get 4. You've been watching the Weiss channel.